In this tutorial, I'll explain how to create an animated button in the Autoplay Menu Designer program. Let's see what we want to get as a result. Just this kind of animation on hover on the button. To do this, select the Graphic Button tool on the Tool panel. Add a button to the page and customize its appearance. To configure, use the Properties panel in the right side of the program. So, by default, our button looks the way we want. Now we can simply change the properties of the button on the Over tab and get a button that changes the hover view. But this is not exactly what we need. The original button changes own state with the transition effect, but ours has no effect. Let's remove the last changes we made on the Over tab. Create a copy of our button and set it to look like we need when you hover on the button. Now we have two objects, one of which needs to be shown only on hover, the first one. Let's do it. First, we will make the last object invisible. Note that you can enable or disable the display of hidden objects. For the first button, add the action, the event mouse enter, the action show hide objects. Select Show, our invisible button. Add an animation so that the object appears with an effect. Let's see a result. On hover, the second button appears with an effect, but does not disappear. To make it disappear, we add another action, the event mouse leave, the action show hide objects. Select Hide our invisible button. Let's see a result. All OK. It remains to combine our two buttons. Please note that the invisible button should be on top. Let's see a result. The work is done. At the end, we can group the buttons into one object so that it would be convenient to copy, move, or add actions further.